Hello, I designed and printed this cup. It took 13 hours to print. Today, I want to share my 3D printer setup. This is Anycubic Mega Zero V1. I bought this about 2 years ago and did some upgrades. Glass bed, fan duct, cooling fan, control board, some accessories. The first upgrade was the glass bed. I bought this from Amazon and paid about 20 Canadian dollars. It is 220 by 220 in millimeter. My printer bed size is 230 by 230 in millimeter, so I made a bracket and hold the glass bed with 2 clips. My upgraded fan duct is designed by Kelvin Megazero. I got this from Thingiverse. This fan duct version I picked worked with the 5020 fan. I replaced the control board to bigtreetech SKR Mini MZ V1.0. When I installed this, I got a big help from the Facebook group named Anycubic Mega Zero Official Group. With the original board, my printer was quite noisy. People call this old technology. Let's compare before and after. The last, accessories. I added a filament guide, V-slot cover, wireless camera, and a heavy paper for the base. With all these upgrades, my 3D printer does the job well. I forgot to mention the price of my 3D printer in the beginning. It was about 120 Canadian dollars. Thank you for watching. Happy to share from Busy Sloth.